So I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the always on display on your Apple Watch SE3. So press the crown to go to the settings and then tap on the settings icon and then scroll down and go to display and brightness. You want to tap on that, and then if you scroll down you will see always on. Now if you tap on that, this is where you can enable the always on display, and this is why you can also disable it if you don't want it. Now once you enable the always on display, you can choose what happens when your wrist is down. So you can choose the complication data to show. Do you want to show or hide the complication data? You can even see some of the data you can show or hide in that always on display, and then you can choose whether you want to see notifications or live activities in that always on display. So that is basically how to enable or disable that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.